So, I find myself here in Concord, North Carolina, needing to change my oil so I can get a sample and send that off. This is a flush oil change on this car. Stopped by a couple places to see if they'd be willing to help me or let me use their space, and didn't have any takers, so seems like nobody wants to help anybody anymore. So I found a nice shady area and a big parking lot off in the corner, and I'm doing it myself. Got the car jacked up with the factory jack, just enough to get into there, don't need much room. Got a jug of Pennzoil Ultra Platinum 020. I just loosened the drain plug, so I'm going to go ahead and put that back in and swap the filters. I've got the new filter pre-filled, as you can see there, and I'm ready to go. So I just got the drain plug put in, and I got the new filter spun on it, and the old oil is out. Sweet deal. So everything under the car is done. Just gotta fill it back up, put everything away, and this is an oil change truly on the road in a parking lot. Okay, I got my sample of oil. Got the old oil drained back into the jug. Got the old oil filter there. And I've got my pan. I'm going to wipe it another time, get it nice and clean. Oil's back in, filled it back up, so she's ready to go. Now this is the sample we will get. That's the actual sample, not the flush, because this is our second straight oil change with Ultra Platinum 0W20. Alrighty guys, I've got everything buttoned up, put away, wiped down, and ready to roll for the second half of the trip. So no thanks to any shops here that weren't willing to give me a hand or let me use anything to do it, but I had all the tools. I didn't need any help that way. I just wanted to place. But I found one. I'll show you here. See, it's a big empty parking lot. I found this big tree right here. Look at that. Big tree with all that shade. It was perfect. It was a nice cool breeze, so it wasn't bad at all. Now I just got to find a place, as soon as I drive past a place, that I can drop the oil off for recycling, and that'll be done. So thanks for joining me for this true oil change on the road. And until next time, guys, we'll see you down the road.